So you undergone spine surgery or are preparing for one, and now you are wondering what happens next? How long will the recovery take? What can you do to heal faster? And most importantly, when can you get back to normal life? Recovery after spine surgery is just as important as the procedure itself. And today, I'll walk you through everything that you need to know, step by step. I'm Dr. Arvind G. Kulkarni. I'm a consultant spine surgeon at Mumbai Spine Scoliosis and Disc Replacement Center. I operate at Breach Candy, Bombay, Saifi and HN Reliance Hospitals in Mumbai. I've spent years helping patients recover successfully after spine surgery, and today I want to clear the confusion about post-surgical recovery. Many people fear that spine surgery means being bedridden for months, but with modern techniques, especially minimally invasive spine surgery, most patients recover much faster than they expect. Let's go over what you can expect after spine surgery, how to manage pain, movement restrictions, lifestyle changes, and what you can do to heal faster. The first 2 days are very crucial because this is when your body starts healing. When it comes to the hospital stay, most patients undergoing minimally invasive spine procedures can go home the same day or the next day. However, for the more complex surgeries, a slightly longer hospital stay may be needed. With regards to managing pain, some discomfort is normal, but pain medications will be provided as per your needs. We have a special pain management team which manages patients' post-operative pain. If you undergone minimally invasive spine surgery, you will experience less pain compared to traditional open spine surgery. When it comes to mobility, in most cases, you will be encouraged to stand and walk within first few hours of surgery to prevent stiffness and blood clots. Once you are home, recovery begins step by step. When it comes to minimally invasive spine surgery, the incisions are small and we apply a waterproof dressing. So most of the times we allow you to take bath on top of the wound and keep the dressing dry. With regards to pain medication, stick to whatever is prescribed in terms of pain relievers and avoid over-the-counter medications unless it is approved by the surgeon. Sleeping on your back or side with a pillow is recommended. We encourage walking as much as you can. Walk for about 15-20 minutes and take a break. Avoid sitting or standing in one position for more than 15-20 minutes. With regards to restrictions, every surgery has a certain protocol and accordingly the surgeon will guide you. But in general, avoid bending, twisting and lifting anything heavy more than 5 kilos. Avoid sudden movements that can put excess strain on your spine. In the first month, you are regaining strength and by now you will be feeling stronger. But full recovery takes time and patience. So what's allowed now? Walk regularly, increase your walking distance gradually, avoid jerky movements or sudden twisting of the spine. Daily routine tasks like eating, light cooking and using a computer are fine. So what is not allowed? Lifting more than 5 to 7 kilos, strenuous exercise, running, intense workouts, driving unless cleared by your doctor, sitting for long hours, especially more than half an hour without breaks is not advisable. This is also the phase where physical therapy may begin depending on the type of surgery that is performed. You will be guided accordingly. In the first 3 to 6 months, you are returning to life. At this stage, most patients begin to feel like themselves again. Depending upon your profession, you may be able to resume work within 4 to 6 weeks for desk jobs and up to 3 months for physically demanding jobs. With regards to exercise and strength building, physical therapy may include strengthening exercises, stretching and posture training. Most patients can start driving by about 4 to 6 weeks, but always check with your doctor first. It varies with the surgery. With modern spine surgery, there are not many restrictions. Long flights and even road trips can be carried out immediately post-surgery with advanced spine surgery. Your doctor will provide specific guidelines based on the surgery that is performed. Stick to them to avoid complications. Stay active but don't overdo it. Movement helps recovery, but pushing yourself too soon, too much can do harm than good. Eat a nutritious diet which is protein rich. This helps in tissue repair. Calcium and vitamin D strengthen your bones. Stay hydrated, that is very important to keep with healing. Maintain good posture, avoid slouching and use ergonomic support while sitting and standing. Absolutely avoid smoking and alcohol till the healing takes place. Both can slow down the healing process and increase the risk of complications. Attend follow-up appointments. Regular checkups as discussed with the doctor help track your progress and detect any potential issues clearly. What's normal during recovery? Mild pain and discomfort is common. Some amount of swelling around the incision site is common. Some degree of fatigue and occasional stiffness is common. So when should you contact your doctor post-surgery? If there is severe pain that worsens instead of improving, fever or signs of infection at the site, sudden numbness, weakness or loss of of bladder ball control. If you experience any of these, seek medical attention immediately. Recovering from spine surgery is a journey, not a race. Every patient heals at their own pace. Following the right guidelines can help you get back to a normal, active life as soon as possible. If you or a loved one is undergoing spine surgery, share this video with them so they know what to expect. And if you want to learn more about spine health, treatments, recovery tips, subscribe to the channel and stay informed. Your spine is your strength. Take care of it. See you in the next video.